first order of the day came in right away. We've got a McDonald's. This is $10 going 3 miles. I just passed the restaurant, so it's probably not going to be ready for me.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Thank you, you too. Where's it? That was quick and easy. Good way to start the day. I'll take it. I accidentally took this order. It's going to be a Wendy's, $10 and some change going less than 4 miles. Not quite sure how I'm feeling about it just yet, but let's head over. Ooh, and there's 9 items in this order. Yeah, this one might be unassigned.
That's checked in. Follow line, second window, please.
Thank you. At least they don't have any drinks. I'll give them that much.
We're still waiting on some fresh fries. If you wouldn't mind pulling forward for us, we can bring it out when it's ready. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I knew this was gonna be like this.
Just for you.
Please make sure they didn't forget my sauce. They forget most of the time. It sucks. Thank you. Yeah, don't know about all that. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $7 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. My hair. Next order just came in. This is going to be for Sherry's. This one is $8.25 going 3 miles.
Tell me that big. There you go.
Thank you. You too. Pretty sure I know where this one is heading to. How's it going?
You got a car right over there. It looks exactly like that.
Oh yeah, I see it. Probably a lot nicer than mine. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep, you have a good day.
You too.
Yeah, way nicer than mine. Mine's so beat up. That one was definitely a throwback to one of my first videos because that apartment complex is like so easy to miss, and it's on a one-way street, so if you miss it, you're kind of screwed. Adds another 10 minutes to your drop-off. I'm really glad he updated his notes because I'm pretty sure I would have missed it again if he hadn't. So shout outs to him. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is $7 and some change going 3.5 miles. Thank you. You as well. I didn't think that was going to be my order because it's only 2 items. So why 2 bags? Whatever. I don't care enough. Let's just go drop it off. Next order up, we've got an IHOP. This is going to be $10 going 4 miles. Got a feeling this one might be a little bit of a wait, but that's fine.
This one right here?
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You as well, thank you. I love being wrong, and I hate being right. Guess that just means that I think negatively. All right, next order just came in. We've got a shop and deliver for Target. This one's gonna be $9.50 going 3 miles, only 2 items. Yep, thank you. You might need to pull it out. Oh, that one is expired. Do you have another ID?
I'll go back in and give you a bigger tip. I appreciate it.
All right, I think we're good to go. Yep.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Yep, you have a good day.
You too.
Highly doubt the tip thing, but we'll see. Looks like we have another shop and deliver for Target. This one is $9.75, 4 miles, 3 items. Huh, that $1 tip though. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Sephora. I'm not gonna be doing any of the shopping, I know that much. But it's gonna be $17 going 6.5 miles, 3 items. Next order just came in. This is gonna be Chipotle, $7.75 going 3 miles. It's telling me that the order is already ready, so hopefully they aren't lying to me. Of course, it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Next order up. This is for a place called Victoria's Cafe. I don't think I've ever been there before, but it's gonna be $10 going just under 5 miles. Hello. Just picking up for Kimberly B. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. And of course, this one's upstairs as well. And on that note, it's about that time. Time to call it a day and go get some lunch. Current time is 11:45. Total is 108. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.